Welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos.
Witnessing this level of professionalism is truly an incredible experience. The precision of this lumberjack is astonishing, especially as he works on a challenging slope where every step demands both strength and skill. Despite the difficulties of felling trees on rugged terrain, he overcomes them all with exceptional expertise. Every movement he makes is a lesson in mastery, and you can feel the confidence in each one. The Bandit 2590 truly lives up to its reputation as a superhero in the wood processing industry. With exceptional power, it can crush any type of wood in the blink of an eye. Its operation is incredibly simple. Just feed the wood into the machine, and the sharp blades will handle the rest. The processed wood chips can be used for fertilizer, fuel, or various other purposes. Do you believe it? With the Gronofelt Stren Killer, also known as the Shear 500 Stump Remover, handling tree stumps is now easier than ever. This machine not only has the ability to cut through stubborn tree stumps in just a few seconds, but it also helps save you a lot of time and effort. Designed to withstand heavy impact, it operates smoothly and precisely, so much so that you'll be amazed. It truly is an indispensable tool in wood harvesting and processing. Sawing trees is always an interesting job and never boring. The sound of the saw blade and the feeling of holding the saw makes you really enjoy. You also need to calculate to determine which side the tree will fall. When the John Deere 9559K Lumberjack is equipped with the quad code 28CHOTSA, its productivity is significantly enhanced. The 9559 boasts impressive traction and maneuverability, combined with the fast cutting cycle of the 28C, optimizing the logging process, especially in areas with large diameter trees. This not only increases efficiency but also reduces operating costs, delivering an exceptional experience for the operator. If you are running a large land clearing operation or a wood processing yard for firewood or biomass fuel, The HF800 cone splitter is an excellent choice. When the high-speed cutting disc is mounted on a wheel loader, a spectacular scene unfolds. Swift Fox Industries has demonstrated the incredible power of this equipment in tackling stubborn trees. The rapidly spinning disc effortlessly tears through large branches in an instant, delivering a powerful performance that leaves a lasting impression on forest clearing efficiency. When the 100 horsepower machine roars to life, you can feel its power instantly. Stubborn tree stumps are effortlessly uprooted, as if this machine was built to eliminate every obstacle in its path. That's why you need the Varia WC25 Texas grinder. Equipped with a powerful 600 horsepower engine and a compact design, land clearing has never been faster. Its intelligent grinding system and variable feed speed ensure smooth operation without interruptions. Plus, the machine is easy to maintain, saving you time and the Turbo Saw RT3400 is Dowie Forestry Manufacturing's premier jigsaw attachment. Perfect for wheel loaders with its flexible in-cab rotation, making trimming branches and cutting fallen trees effortless. Equipped with a powerful motor and saw blade, the RT3400 operates exclusively on wheel loaders with a flow rate of 21 GPM or higher. Clearing invasive trees like red cedar or mesquite has never been easier. Easier here is a video of the tree stump tapping process in Finland, and I bet you will see how fun this device is. It feels great, like you are trying to pick candy out of your jeans pocket. It's a tough and dangerous job, but it requires those who dare to face it. Logging in the dense forests of Belgium presents unique challenges that only seasoned operators can handle. Let's take a look at this monstrous and most expensive mahogany saw. The most impressive feature is its razor-sharp 2-meter blade and a powerhouse engine delivering up to 600 horsepower. When in operation, the sound of the saw and engine blend into an industrial symphony, slicing through even the hardest mahogany with pinpoint precision. Each 10 centimeters piece is flawlessly separated, showcasing the sophistication of cutting-edge technology.
None of the branches are big, so oh, this first bit's gonna be annoying with all that. Fuck. Go. Alright, chuck a couple of wraps on that.
Felling 2 ash trees at Holland Landing required careful climbing and securing of branches to protect the underground septic system. Each cut was made under high pressure to prevent any potentially dangerous mistakes.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about the Sampo Rosenhill HR46, a true beast with a durable engine capable of handling up to 21.5 tons. But it's not just about raw power. What's truly impressive is its sophisticated control system, optimized for maximum efficiency with minimal environmental impact. In the world of forestry, this is the pinnacle of technology, the perfect blend of power and precision.